The power of focusing on yourself. The truth no one tells you. Let's get real for a second. This might sound harsh, but it's something you absolutely need to hear. No one cares about your life as much as you think they do. Now, wait, don't get discouraged. This isn't bad news. In fact, this might just be the most freeing thing you'll ever realize. See, we all crave attention. We want to matter. We want to be seen, appreciated, validated. Deep inside, we're chasing that one look, that one applause, that one "I see you." But here's the plot twist. Most people are too busy thinking about themselves to focus on you. They're running around, drowning in their own problems, chasing their own dreams, fighting their own battles. You might succeed, and they'll clap. You might fail, and they'll shake their heads. And then what? They move on, back to their own story. You know what that means? It means you are the only person who is going to care enough to carry your dreams forward. Your goals, your responsibility. Your vision, your mission. The sooner you accept that no one's coming to save you, no one's going to push you, the sooner you start winning. Because that's when you realize you've always been enough. We waste so much time worrying about what people think. We wait for approval. We wait for the perfect moment. But let me tell you, there's no perfect moment. There's no green signal. You create the moment. You are the green signal. Stop looking for someone to believe in you. Start believing in yourself. Because guess what? The only person who really understands your dream is you. And the only one who can make it real? You. When things get tough, and they will, people won't always be around to cheer you on. And you know what? That's fine, because you've got to be your own cheerleader. This is your journey. This is your mission. This is your fight. Forget about likes, forget about claps, forget about outside approval. None of that matters. What matters is the fire inside you, the one only you can ignite, and only you can keep burning. If you want something, go chase it. No permission slips required, no signs from the universe needed. The fact that you want it is your sign. Yes, the road will be tough. There will be sacrifices. There will be days when giving up seems easier. But trust me, the finish line is worth every step. Because when you get there, you'll know you didn't wait for the world to believe in you. You believed in yourself. Stop comparing yourself to others. Their path isn't yours. Your only competition, the person you were yesterday. The more you invest in yourself, the closer you get to the life you've always dreamed of. So get up, take action, chase your dreams like your life depends on it, because it does. When you truly focus on yourself, you unlock something powerful. You realize the only thing standing between you and your dream is your own belief. And that's where real freedom begins. I've been there. I used to overthink everything. I was afraid of failing in front of people, of being judged, of not being good enough. But you know what that fear did? It froze me. It trapped me. Until one day I realized no one else's opinion can define me. Only mine can. When you get that, your whole life changes. You stop waiting. You stop asking for permission. You just start. Think about the greats, the inventors, the leaders, the artists. Do you think they waited for the world to believe in them? Nope. Many of them were laughed at, rejected, criticized, but they kept going anyway.
That's the difference. They believed in themselves even when nobody else did. And that's what you need to do. Life's not a straight road. It's a wild ride with bumps, turns, dead ends, and U-turns. Sometimes you'll feel lost. Sometimes you'll feel alone. But that's where you grow. That's where you build real resilience. Success isn't about things being handed to you. It's about creating your own opportunities when the door is locked. It's about giving yourself permission to keep chasing your dream when the world is silent. You don't need the world to believe in you. You just need you to believe in you. That's not a motivational quote. That's the truth. Think back to the times you achieved something you're proud of. Was it easy? Nope. You worked for it. You struggled for it. You pushed through. That's what made it meaningful. Your biggest dreams? They'll demand your biggest efforts. And you know what else? They might lead you somewhere even better than you imagined if you stay open to change. Don't cling so tightly to one version of success that you miss better doors opening. Be flexible, be curious, be ready to pivot. That's how you stay ahead. You're not just chasing a goal, you're building your story. And the best part of the story? The growth, the people, the lessons, the tough times you survived. When you look back, it won't be the trophies you remember. It'll be the moments when you almost gave up but didn't. Define success for yourself. Is it freedom? Is it travel? Is it building something meaningful? Hold that vision close. That's your compass. And don't forget to celebrate the small wins. Every step forward, even the tiny ones, matter. They build momentum. Also, never underestimate gratitude. It's a superpower. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already amazing. Even the hard parts start to feel like gifts. Every setback is a teacher. Every person you meet adds to your story. This is your life. You're the author. You hold the pen. Yes, people might not see your struggles. They might not appreciate the sacrifices you're making. But that doesn't matter. Your worth is not on anyone's scorecard. Be your own loudest supporter. Light your own fire. Don't wait for someone to say go. You've already got the green light. Stand up, start moving. Show the world what you're made of. Because no one else will ever care about your dream as much as you do. And you know what? That's enough. And hey, let's get one thing straight. You're going to fail. Not once, not twice, but a lot. But failure? It's just part of the process. It's not the end. The only real failure is quitting. So when you fall, you get back up. Every single time. Dust yourself off, remember why you started, and keep going. Life isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, doing your best, and refusing to quit. You might be thinking, but what if I'm not good enough? Here's a secret. Everyone feels that way, even the most successful people. The difference is they keep going despite the doubt. Courage isn't being fearless. Courage is moving forward even when you're scared. And you've got that courage inside you. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for a sign. You are the sign. Believe in yourself. Take the step. Keep moving. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. In the end, the only opinion that really matters is your own. So live boldly, dream big, and never, ever give up. Thank you.